Mephibosheth, the story of kindness and humility, 2 Samuel 9. Hello, amazing friends! Welcome back to Dr. Yemi's Fun and Faith TV. Let me start by saying, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, I love you all. Today, we have a truly amazing story from the Bible about a man who was forgotten, yet chosen for a special blessing. His name is Mephibosheth, and his story teaches us that humility can open doors to unexpected blessings. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Who was Mephibosheth? A long time ago, there was a little boy named Mephibosheth. He was the grandson of King Saul and the son of Prince Jonathan. That means he was born a prince, but one day something terrible happened. When he was just 5 years old, a war broke out. His nurse tried to save him, but in the rush, she dropped him. He fell so hard that his legs became crippled. From that day, Mephibosheth could no longer walk. From prince to forgotten man. Years passed. Mephibosheth was no longer a prince living in a palace. Instead, he lived in a faraway place called Lodebar, a land of no hope. He felt forgotten and unimportant. But little did he know, a great surprise was coming his way. King David remembers. Meanwhile, in the royal palace, King David was thinking about his best friend, Jonathan. He wanted to show kindness to Jonathan's family, so he asked, "Is there anyone left from Jonathan's family that I can bless?" Then a servant spoke up. "Yes, there is one person left, Jonathan's son, Mephibosheth, but he is crippled." But guess what? King David didn't care about that. He immediately said, "Go and bring him to me." Mephibosheth meets the king. Imagine how Mephibosheth felt when soldiers arrived and said, "The king wants to see you." He might have thought, "Oh no, am I in trouble?" But when he reached the palace, he bowed down humbly before King David. But instead of punishment, King David said, "Don't be afraid. Because of your father, Jonathan, I will show you kindness. From today, you will eat at my table like a king's son." Wow! Mephibosheth, the forgotten man, became part of the royal family again. The power of humility. Mephibosheth could have been angry or bitter about losing everything, but instead, he remained humble, which led him to unexpected blessings. Humility opens doors to blessings. Boys and girls, just like Mephibosheth, when we stay humble, grateful, and kind, God can surprise us with blessings beyond our imagination. Call to action. I am sure you have learned something from this story today. Let me remind you that, according to YouTube's guidelines, comments are not allowed on kids' channels like this one. Hence, the only way you can show love, encouragement, and support is to please like, or subscribe, and share this video with families and friends. More than 80% of viewers are yet to subscribe to this channel. The least you can do to support me in bringing out content that will help our children and young adults to grow up to be morally sound, spiritual giants, and intellectually empowered by catching them young to navigate their ways to true greatness and become valuable members of society in this perverse generation, is to subscribe to this channel and others like it. It is free, it only takes a click, and bam! You're done. Thank you, and see you next time on Dr. Yemi's Fun and Faith TV. Bye!